stop by Cookman. Noodle, and it's a goal. Number 28 for the Wildcats, 25 seconds in. It's in front, back to New Hampshire. Meyer scores! Faye Meyer rockets a shot past Vadrager into the cage. 2-0. Vermont looking to cut into that deficit in the championship. Drees, deflection, goal! Breakaway to tie it, it's Dykstra, and a goal! Marie Dykstra ties it at 2 with 9:30 to go in the third quarter. Where inserts, top contours, fires, scores! Vermont has the lead in the fourth quarter, 3-2. And the Vermont Catamounts, for the first time in program history, go to the NCAA tournament and win the America East Conference tournament. The Vermont Catamounts were down 2-0. They answer with 3 goals, and they will go to the NCAA tournament the first time ever under head coach Katie Pfeiffer.